My name's Karen Stoker, I'm the Managing Director, and together with my brother David we run Stoker's Transport Services Limited. We're a third generation haulage company based at Brampton in Cumbria. We were the first in the area to use the new DAF XF demonstrator, and we're surprised that it gave us a return of near 9 miles per gallon. Our fleet runs heavy almost constantly, running at 44 tonne. So the 6 new XFs that we've taken delivery of are in our original Stoker's Transport colours of red, white and blue. The drivers are absolutely over the moon with the 6 new XF trucks. The comfort, performance, they're so well kitted out. There's loads more room, obviously having the flat section walk-through floor bit in the middle makes a massive difference to the space that they have. Lots of storage, fridge, microwave, everything that they need really. They're absolutely thrilled to pieces with them. The service and the support that we receive from Solway DAF at Carlisle is absolutely second to none. We've got absolutely no reason to look elsewhere.